FLOWCAL is the recognized leader in oil and gas measurement software. One of our teams is working with the largest oil company in the world, who is writing as many as 20,000 manual tickets. A paperwork nightmare. The company implemented FLOWCAL's Enterprise version 8 to automate their liquid measurement data collection and product ticket validation process. FLOWCAL eliminated the mountain of paperwork by collecting data at all measurement points and tracking their loss of product, saving this major millions in the process. Not to mention a small fortune in pens and paper. We're reshaping the way the world does oil, gas, chemicals, and refined products by bringing unmatched accountability to the process. Our success has opened new markets and created opportunities in Europe, Asia, and virtually every continent, supporting an industry that provides a demanding world the energy they need.
My introduction to FLOWCAL was very exciting because immediately I realized how user-friendly and intuitive the program is.
We purchased the FLOWCAL Enterprise product in April of 2006. We had interviewed approximately 4 vendors and decided that we thought FLOWCAL was the product for us.
FLOWCAL was our main focus to begin with, and once we fully implemented FLOWCAL in our gas business, the next step's obviously to branch out and improve the other parts of our business by the different tools that are offered.
Well, the FLOWCAL editing tool, it's just an unbelievable product to work with. It makes my job much easier than if I was doing our old in-house tool.
In prior times, we had used 2 databases to handle our 40,000 plus meters, whereas now with FLOWCAL, we had all our meters in one central database. We did not have to have 2, and we were able to do this without seeing any degradation of performance on data import or on the editing or processing of the data within the system.
The integration with FLOWCAL catches issues that may have gone unresolved for a month or 2, and it really makes the field accountable for the data that they're submitting to me.
FLOWCAL really helps us with all the things we do, working with our field guys and our third parties. And one of the things that it really helps us with is recoveries of volumes from third parties. We all want the measurement to be right, and when we have comparisons with meters one-to-one, FLOWCAL's Audit module helps us do those comparisons and quickly recognize discrepancies, which inherently results in additional revenue for our company. I was able to quickly adapt and understand and learn that software, and that obviously made it easy for me to train other folks and for them to adapt and learn that software.
Where FLOWCAL really stands out is support. What happens after you get the software? And really at the end of the day, that's all that really matters to me and my company is not does the software do everything in the world, but what it does it do well? And when it doesn't function, can you call somebody and get it fixed? And I would have to say that beyond a shadow of a doubt, that's where FLOWCAL excels.
And I know of no other company that is inquiring the needs of their customers like FLOWCAL does.
We get to tell them what our problems are, and and they take that and run with it. And we do it collectively, we do it individually for our own companies, and I think that's really what makes the difference. They're able to put things in the software that actually directly benefit our companies in what we do every day.
My experience of working with FLOWCAL over the last 6 or 7 years on a very major project has been a very successful one for DCP, and hopefully it has been for FLOWCAL as well. We now have a product in our company that houses this tremendous amount of information regarding all our measurement data that our company is able to mine and utilize. In addition, we have a higher degree of accuracy of the data that we are putting out to other downstream systems by basis of the validations and the review process that we are able to do within the system. It's been a really good move for DCP. We are very happy with the results that we have gotten out of this project.
As we go to the annual FLOWCAL users group, they give us a picture of what they're doing now and what they're doing for the future. And from what we can see, far into the future, they're going to be out there for us. They'll be looking ahead at what they think that we're going to need as well as what we need currently. So we're very happy with the product, very happy with the outlook.
I'm currently on the FLOWCAL advisory board for the production group for all production companies, and we take all the input from all the users that are production-based companies, And we prioritize that, and we provide that to FLOWCAL so that they can help prioritize their work and their development of their software to improve it better for the user community. It's things like that that really set FLOWCAL apart.